Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a brief look at screencasting on a Chromebook. Took a look at this a little while ago. Something just as a reminder for students, if they ever need another tour, they can go ahead right in here and select Feature Tour and go ahead and take a look at screencasting. Now, something you may have seen was there are a couple newish features. When we go ahead and select, I'll show them here just in a second. You can see right down in here, in there, you can also make it a little bit larger, or you could certainly select right here and you could turn the camera off. Microphone's right in here. Here it says show clicks and keys. You can keep that on, turn it off. It's up to you. Also, when you're going through, you could select a certain area to record, or you could do full screen. For right now, I'm going to do full screen. And you can click anywhere to record. So we're going to go ahead and do that. You can see the nice little countdown right in there. Now, what we're going to do is we're just going to open up Chrome here. And when we do so, let's go into ESPN. Let's just say you had a student that was talking, would like to share something and would like to have a marker. They could go ahead and just say, let's just underline this right in here. So that is something that possibly is important for them. They can also go ahead and toggle that off. If you use two fingers on there, kind of right clicking, you can also choose right in here for your color. Now, the really kind of cool thing is when you want to go ahead and you want to stop recording, you can go ahead and stop recording right here. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is going to come up. We're going to give this a second for it to come up because I want to show you the transcript. And this is really important because it could be translated into another language. Okay, so let's open it up. Transcript is right here for you. When you can go ahead and play it. Also, something to point out, if you notice that there's something you like to trim out, you certainly click right in here. You can edit the text, or you could skip the entire section right in there. What we're going to do is we're going to click on share. You could rename it as you would like to. We're going to select continue. Then you could share it with others. Just please notice that it will only share with those within your domain. So we're going to copy link. And then I'll show you what it looks like here from a teacher point of view when it comes up with the transcript where they could translate into another language. And just to show you what it looks like, you can see right over here, here's a transcript in English, but you could certainly go ahead and translate that if you'd like to. So let's go ahead and translate it. Let's translate it into, you can see all these languages here. Pretty amazing. But let's go ahead and there you have it. So really neat to see. So go ahead, take a look at it. One thing to point out, I just want to show you this right here. The information for to create a new recording, your device language must be set to one of the following. So if it's set to one of these, then it could be translated, let's just say, into English then. So the option then, when you come up right into here, you could then take it from the language that it was set on the Chromebook to then English. So definitely something to take a look at. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.